At 12:47 p.m. today, mainland Papua New Guinea was feeling the aftershocks of a 7.3 magnitude earthquake 192 kilometers northeast of Port Moresby and to the north of Popondetta. The U.S. Geological Survey had reported that the epicenter was roughly 80 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. And from the Department of Mineral Policy and Geohazards, Acting Director Chris McKee has said that no tsunamis are expected or further aftershocks. In Port Moresby, social media flooded with images and videos of panicked residents rushing out of shopping malls and large buildings. Outside of the Emtv studio, a large crowd of evacuees who had rushed outside as the violent tremors shook the building. Soon after, more images from the aftermath of the quake, from Ley and further away on the mountains outside Port Moresby. Some shops recording the damage done to goods. Yesterday, Kokopo recorded a 4.7 magnitude quake, while for Port Moresby, this is the largest of seismic activities noted in recent times, and there have been over 254 earthquakes taken note of in the last year. In February 2018, a 7.5 magnitude earthquake had struck Papua New Guinea that triggered landslides, resulting in loss of lives and affecting almost 500,000 people, with state of emergencies declared in 4 provinces. Jeremy Moggy, National TV News.